Hello, and welcome to our tutorial on how to use the 2Pink Rank Checker, the ultimate tool for tracking your website's keyword rankings with ease. Today, I'll guide you through the process of setting up and using 2Pink Rank Checker to monitor the performance of your keywords in search engine results. Step 1. Setting up your account. Start by visiting the 2Pink Rank Checker website. Sign up for a free account if you haven't already. Once logged in, you'll be taken to the dashboard. Step 2. Adding your first project. Click on the Add a New Keyword Group button. Enter your keyword group name and website's domain to check. Select the Google domain and device to check keyword rankings. Afterward, click the Add New button to add a new keyword group. Step 3. Adding keywords. After successfully adding the keyword group, you will be redirected to the detailed setup page. Go to the Enter Keyword List section. Then, enter the list of keywords you want to track. You can add them individually or in bulk. Each line is one keyword. A maximum of 100 keywords per keyword group. Click Add New Keywords. After successfully adding the keywords, if your account has sufficient points, the system will automatically check the ranking for each keyword associated with the website you have set up. If your account does not have points, please proceed to the next step. Step 4. Earning points. To use all the tools provided by 2Pink, you need to accumulate points. Download the Live Traffic Client software or Live Traffic Viewer extension to start earning points automatically. These points will be used to pay for each keyword ranking check. Step 5. View Detailed Ranking Report. After accumulating points, go back to the dashboard. The dashboard provides a comprehensive view of your keyword rankings. You can see the current rank, previous rank, and the best rank ever achieved for each keyword. The History tab shows a graph of your keyword rankings over time. Checking daily rankings. 2Pink Rank Checker updates your keyword rankings daily. This feature saves you time from manually checking each keyword. Additionally, you can recheck the rankings by clicking the Check Again button to recheck all keywords. Or click the Check Again icon next to each keyword if you want to check them individually. The usage fee for each keyword is 100 points per check. Managing keywords and groups. If you have more than 100 keywords, you can create a new keyword group to manage them. We do not limit the number of keyword groups. In the information area of the keyword group, the following will be displayed. Status notification of the keyword group. The total number of keywords and the number of keywords allocated in each ranking top. A switch to enable or disable daily automatic checking. General settings information for the keyword group. Exporting reports. Export detailed reports to an Excel file for further analysis. Share the report link of the keyword group. Thank you for watching our tutorial on the 2Pink Rank Checker. With this tool, you can effortlessly monitor your website's SEO performance and make informed decisions to improve your rankings. Remember to subscribe for more helpful guides and tips on SEO and online marketing. See you in the next video.